Now it's advantage India in the Choksi chase to ensure extradition of Choksi. India has a 7-day window to go ahead and do this. 1 week before Choksi's bail hearing, essentially. So India has a 7-day head start really to go ahead and ensure a watertight case. What India also will be optimistic about here is that, remember, Choksi was taken into custody on the request of India. Belgium went ahead and arrested him because of our request. Now we're hearing that India will use legal routes, diplomatic routes, as much as it takes to go ahead and nail Choksi and ensure his extradition. He's gotten away for far too long. Now they will be pushing to ensure that he's extradited at the soonest and doesn't find some sort of legal loophole.
All I can say is that he has been arrested and it's a client-attorney privilege communication. Other details I'll not be able to give you, but this I can confirm that yes, my client has been arrested. He is in prison at the moment, and the legal remedy that we have is that we'll be filing an appeal, and there we'll be making a request that he should be released and he should be permitted to contest his case without being in custody.
What the grounds of the arrest explained to him during the time of the arrest? If so, what grounds has he actually been arrested?
It's a procedure. It's a procedure. All details are yet to come to me. So at the moment, I'll not be able to divulge all the details.
Are you planning to challenge his arrest and ask for bail?
There the procedure is that the extradition request itself is challenged, the process is challenged by filing an appeal, and during that appeal you make a request there that my client should be permitted to contest the same without being in custody because he's not a flight risk and because of his medical condition.
So are you planning to apply for bail as well?
That's a request made. This is not technically called bail. That's a request that you made when you file an appeal.
So there's no doubt that Mehul Choksi's legal team is already figuring out their strategy. What's very clear is that they're going to try and use the alibi of his health. Reportedly, Choksi is currently fighting blood cancer. So they're trying to use that to not just seek relief on humanitarian grounds, but cite that to ensure he's not extradited. Munish Pandey is joining us with the latest updates on this. Munish, it's been quick thinking by India that's ensured Choksi's arrest in Belgium and that he didn't get that permanent residency as he sought. But now, what are the steps going forward, Munish, to ensure from his arrest it turns to extradition next?
Well, Akshita, even the Indian agencies and Indian government knows this very well, that this is a golden chance for India to get back Mehul Choksi, and that is why both the agencies, Enforcement Directorate as well as the Central Bureau of Investigation, they are trying their best to get him to India, and that is why, based on the non-bailable warrant, a request was made to the Belgian authorities and he has been placed under arrest. Now, the timeline, what we can confirm to our viewers is that he was arrested from the hospital on April 12 and he has been put in jail. But the important part, Akshita, is that the bail hearing will take place at least after a week, and this 1 week is going to be very crucial because in this 1 week, not only the Indian agencies will try to put forth the evidence which has been gathered against Mehul Choksi so far, the 3 charge sheet as well as the non-bailable warrants against him, but also it will be important because diplomatic channels are going to be extremely important. Akshita, as we very well know that in any extradition or deportation case, the diplomatic channels are extremely important, and this 1 week window will help India to have further conversation with the diplomats of Belgium so that we can make a strong case against Mehul Choksi because he is trying to get bail on health grounds because he is suffering from blood cancer. He is getting treatment of blood cancer. That is going to be his argument. But Indian agencies' argument is going to be that he is a wanted accused in a 13,000 crore bank scam case and he should be sent back to India as soon as possible.
All right, we'll see how it plays out. The next 7 days, of course, will be crucial to see which way this could go. Thanks very much, Munish, for breaking down that entire procedure for us and what the arguments could be from both sides to push for Choksi's extradition.